How to purchase a New Jersey Transit ticket at a ticket vending machine. Touch the screen, then select your desired language. Select from the following options. If your station is not shown on the first menu, touch the first letter of the station you are traveling to. Then select your destination. It depends on which zone you're traveling to, and depends which ticket you want to buy. Select one-way, round-trip, 10-trip, or weekly pass. Monthly passes, however, are primarily sold at the end of each month. Hit the plus sign to add how many tickets you want to purchase. All New Jersey Transit ticket vending machines take every method of payment: cash, all major credit cards, as well as Apple Pay and Google Pay. Select Checkout, then your method of payment. If you're using cash, insert your dollar bill into the feeder. Then retrieve your tickets from the tray below. All New Jersey Transit ticket vending machines gives out change in bills, as well as coins. Take your change and enjoy your ride. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to check us out on Patreon for $1 a month at www.patreon.com/CS Aviation and Transit Channel. That's www.patreon.com/CS Aviation and Transit Channel.